Whew.
Hello, family.
This is very similar when we stayed out last time.
Yeah.
All right. 4920 Old Key West. We have actually stayed at Old Key West before, long before we were doing room reviews, so we don't have a tour of this one yet. But here we go. What is it? Villa?
No, this is a studio, I think.
Deluxe studio, something like that.
Yeah.
So we've got 2 queen size beds. And we've got our Alexa, our Disney Alexa friend. Beach themed artwork. Just fun, little side table. I think that's for adjoining room. Here we have a small balcony. Overlooks a pond. And the bus stop is just right there. You see a bus there now. It's not very far. And our room has a fan, which we like. Little dresser. Here we have our little kitchenette. Toaster, microwave, coffee maker. I think this one's actually a real fridge instead of a cooler. It's DVC, so you have some kitchen supplies.
This is a deluxe studio.
A deluxe studio, confirmed. Cleaning, ironing board, in the wall safe. And our bathroom. Not too bad. Bathtub, shower. It's got some space. It's not cramped. Go back here to some hooks. Not much to it.
It'll do it.
It'll do. It's the room. Definitely a little fogged up. Some construction going out there. The price is right for a deluxe room. So yeah, quick, fast room tour. Anything else? Olivia's is great.
Oh yeah. If you come to Old Key West, go to Olivia's.
Olivia is the best hidden spot for dining at Disney. Quick boat ride over Disney Springs. Boat ride's great. It's a great laid back resort. It is I'm pretty sure it's the first Disney Vacation Club resort, and it's cool to see all the families' pictures out by Olivia's. So yeah, it's great. That was it. See you on the next one. Bye.